P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring. Oi! Sake. P&J Productions present a compilation of pouring.
Maybe like that.
And that's it.
We actually found out it was a Russian sitcom, and we actually found the episode. But at that point, we're like, well, wait a minute. This person is playing games with us. He's trying to mislead us.
We spent weeks on this Russian bullshit. I spent 16 hours looking at fucking doorknobs from Lithuania.
Look a fucking head on that. There's more head on that than a bloody Spanish bloody brothel.
What the devil are you playing at? Are you trying to commit suicide or something?
I can do it if I couldn't overcome. Is it alright?
Oh, probably just stuck.
There's not nothing delirious. It was birth.
Yeah.
I've driving ever since.
I've never looked at it. I've never seen it burn like that.
That's the...
At least with burner.
Bloody joking.
When some back for picnic. Used to be a little village there last year, but the government have pulled it down on them. We stopped to turn round, and we had a noise like falling.
Can I see?
And when I found him, he was like this.
Keep putting the tip in now and again.
Got him, mister.
You normally leave it for a few minutes to settle.
My patient.
Rosie!
Sorry, wasn't the car. No, I couldn't manage. Just take him and help him into the car.
People had to fit it all in now, yeah. Your head's gone down sufficiently. Got Michael Ripper.
Charles Lloyd Pat.
I'll top it with water for you.
There's the Joe guest, not a Val guest. If you're a certain age, yeah, you don't remember that, do you?
Yeah.
Wow.
He's in urgent need of medical attention. He was examining something right there. You know what these things are and what they do to them? Who are you? Hey, what's this? What is this place? What are you taking him? Wait a minute. I've got to go with him. I'll tell him where you find him.
I know the film's from at Bray Studios, but if this was filmed at EMI, Bournemouth, MGM EMI Studios, was it EMI Elstree? MGM was on Studio Way, but that was demolished in the mid-70s. So that were housing they built new houses.
Get after the men who killed your pal. They're taking you to see them. Go back to your homes. You'll do more good if you go back. We could use the car. Turn it round. Look, here, turn it round, boys. Go back home.
P&J Productions now present pouring ale into a glass.
Bollocks.